Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to solve ChatGPT login problem app. So let's start. So first, just go to your ChatGPT app and just long press here and just go to app info. Just click there. This is the first option to do it. So then just go to the down options as appears, that is uninstall and clear all data. Just click here on clear all data and just click on delete everything. Just click on OK. Then try to log in again to your chat GPT. If this does not work, just go to Play Store and then just looking for ChatGPT. Just click here and check if there is an update for the app. If there is an update on the app, just click on update and then just try to log in again into your app. Well guys, there are two options to do it. The first option is clear all data and the second option is check if there is no update for the app. Maybe with this you will solve the problem for login on the app. I hope some of these options works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.